Hi, I'm Andy Law and I work for Underwoods Process Instrumentation team. I'm here today to promote the Siemens range of belt weighers, of which we are an authorised partner for. So I'm here today at Siemens demo suite in Worcester, and I wanted to run through just the principles of the belt weighers, speed sensors, the instrumentation, and how you can integrate it into your system or use it as a standalone. Referenced here is some of the typical information that we at Underwoods would need to specify a new or retrofittable belt weighing system. Typically from the questionnaire, the bits of information that we need are the dimensions. That part of it, the metal framework, is known as the stringer. And here we have their single idler, and in orange, that's the most important bit, the static part of the unit. On top of that, we can support your existing idlers, which mount on top of it, and it's the suppression of the weight on the two load cells that will give us the reading. So your signals from your load cells, two off, which will give you the average reading, which is a benefit because it gives you a more accurate reading of the total weight. We'll go back to the BW500L or a BW500. L being the light version, 500 giving you facilities to read things such as totalizers, flow rates, and also give you communications outputs such as Profinet, Profibus, Modbus. So I'm here to run through some of the benefits of using Siemens belt weighers for your process. They are accurate and they will help you maximize your throughput. They will help with the control of your inventory from the quarry to the lorry. They will help with the product quality of blending materials for your bricks. And all of these Siemens products are supported not only by Siemens but Underwoods throughout the UK.